I'm going to talk you through one of our dessert drinks, which is a twist on a Clover Club. First of all, we're going to start with raspberries. We'll muddle these. Now, with all cocktails, we should be starting with non-alcoholic items first. So we'll be starting with some lemon juice. That's just 30 mils. Then we're going to have some homemade cacao nib syrup. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So 100 grams of cocoa nib to 100 grams of sugar. Then we're going to do, like all Clover Clubs, have a base of gin. Today we're using Bulldog gin. We're doing 45 mil. And then finally, we're going to be using some Alchemez. And here we're going to use 15 mil. So we've got 60 mil in total altogether of alcohol. And then in a separate dish to the side, we're going to add some egg white. We'll be only adding around about 30 mil to give that nice creaminess. Here we add some ice. So when we're making anything with egg white, we always want to wet shake first, which wet shake means to shake with ice. Then we dry shake, so we empty the ice out and then shake without the ice once the drink is already chilled.